how to get a redeem code for TestFlight. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will show you how we can redeem a code on TestFlight and how we can use this. First up, open your TestFlight app once you have just installed it on your iOS device. And here you just need to set up your TestFlight app. Here, tap on the continue button, and then here on the next page, you just have to check the terms and conditions. And then once done, as you can see on this page, here you can basically get ready to test. Before you can start testing, a developer has to invite you to test one of their TestFlight apps. To accept an invite, tap on the link in the email or enter an invitation redeem code. So here you just tap on redeem and you just have to enter the TestFlight invitation code right here. So to get some of the redeem codes on TestFlight, you can basically check on your Safari browser and then search for how to redeem codes for TestFlight. And you will find this website here as an example. And then from here you can get some invitation codes to basically use on your TestFlight. So if we're going to scroll down, you'll find different apps or betas that you can use in order to try testing on your iOS device. So what is the use of this TestFlight application? So the application allows you to test iOS apps and get some valuable feedback before they're released on the App Store. And Apple does this to avoid users downloading test apps directly onto their phones and streamlines the process of distributing iOS app testing builds. So that's all about it. So that's basically how you can get a redeem code for TestFlight. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.